Welcome back. We all know this. The summer heat can bring on some severe storms here in the upstate, and sometimes these storms can cause hail damage. And how to identify that damage is important, and how you do your claim on the insurance is also important. This morning we have Tyler Simpson from the Tyler Simpson Allstate Agency. Tell us a bit more about this. And it's caused a robust discussion already, because we're talking about those pop-up storms that happen in our area. We see them all the time, and they do cause some major hail damage. So we wanted to bring in the pro that deals with this all the time to talk a little bit about what we should be doing with this situation.
It is thunderstorm season.
It is, yes. No, every week, if you have an outdoor activity planned, you can bet that somewhere in the area, there's going to be a thunderstorm. It's going to get delayed. We're in that time of year. So inevitably, there's going to be a storm. There's going to be some damage, and at some point, somebody's going to end up on your front porch telling you you have hail damage.
Well, and it's like they come out of the woodwork.
That's right.
People you don't know, you don't necessarily trust them, you shouldn't maybe, and try to sell you a new roof or whatever. But shouldn't we call you if we have insurance with you? Maybe we should just buy insurance with you and then call you. You send an adjuster. Is that the way it works?
You need to get an adjuster out there. Get a professional out there. Get somebody that knows what they're doing.
That's through you or their insurance company.
That's correct, yes. Okay. With Allstate, if you file a claim and it doesn't pay out more than $250, it doesn't cost you anything. So let's get a professional out there. Let's get somebody that knows what they're doing. They know what to look for, what hail damage actually looks like. If there is damage, let's get it fixed. Let's start the mitigation process so we don't have further damage. You know, you don't want to have to move out of your house because it continues to get worse. All right, and let's get it fixed and get it repaired.
Yeah, let's talk about what hail damage looks like. I saw the term blisters, and I was like, thought blisters were for your feet, but apparently it relates to hail damage.
Absolutely, yeah. No, you have the blisters come from imperfections in the shingle when it's made. As moisture is trapped in the shingle when it's made, eventually the heat makes it bubble to the surface.
Really? Makes sense.
And is often so people see these spots on their roof, and they assume, oh, that's hail damage. I got it. And so a lot of times people will call me and they've had a person on their roof who will list 3 or 4 characteristics that are not hail damage, but often confused with hail damage. And so they become frustrated.
So it's important to know what you're looking at.
That's correct.
Yeah. You know. So they should call the roofer that put the darn stuff on.
Unfortunately, that's not an option, but it would that would help.
Well, so. I'm just saying it's a flaw within the manufacturing of the shingle.
That's correct, yes.
And you suggested to call someone local and make sure that it's a local company that's taking a look at it. They have more experience. They work in your neighborhood. They're in your community.
Yeah, absolutely. A lot of roofing companies actually will not repair a roof unless they put it on. So what you want to avoid are companies coming in, storm chasers, that come into the area. They rent a local office for a short period of time. They register with the local Better Business Bureau for a short period of time, and then they go around, and then once everything's done, then they leave.
Yeah, so beware of people knocking on your door.
That's a good thing to point out.
Yeah.
So we got hail damage. We've had it, assessed to see kind of that it actually is hail damage.
Right.
Let's talk about the process of filing a claim. How does that work?
Well, you want to call your local agent. We do all of our services in-house, so we will be glad to service the policy. We'll be glad to walk you through the claims process, identify what is hail damage. We're going to get an adjuster out there as quickly as possible, usually within 48 hours. To look at the roof, assess the damage, and we'll go ahead. We will get your account information, and we will put money in your account to start paying for the roof within 24 hours of identifying that damage.
In 25 years that you've been here, you've filled a lot of these folks' needs, right?
That's correct. I was around in 2000.
Years.
Yep, I was around in 2010, 11, and 12 when we had all the hailstorms. And 16 and 17, I was here. And so we have a ton of experience dealing with this and how to mitigate all the problems and get the damage fixed.
A lot of people may have that question, by having a new roof, does that save me money on my insurance?
You have no idea. Roofs, and I looked at it this morning, a guy just got a new roof, saved him 25% on his homeowner's insurance.
Wow.
Really?
Yes. He had it done 15 years ago.
Yep.
The roof was 15 years old. He had the hailstorms that were on May 6th that came through and just finished the roof. We reviewed his policies. And in having a new roof, it saved him 25% on his homeowner's insurance.
Well, hailstones can be, golly, 10 inches across. I mean, they're just unbelievably large. That's probably an oddity, but I've read that.
Yeah, well, in the Midwest, they're obviously a lot bigger than they were here. In 2017, the hail was so bad, we actually ran out of glass. There was so much damage, and we lost so many windshields from the hailstorm that it caused that much damage. They were baseball size.
Well, you know, the power, when you see the pings in your roof, that's metal. That's not a shingle.
That's correct.
That's what hail does.
Absolutely.
Should we buy insurance from you, and where do we go?
Well, my agency's at Pelham 85. I'm local here in Greenville. Our office has been around for 25 years. You can give me a call at 864-289-9802 or visit the Tyler Simpson Agency. Come to my website. If you'd like to point and click and request some information, we're definitely going to be able to help.
It's great information. Now we know what a blister is when it comes to health. Thank you so much for all the information.
Not a problem. We'll
The
be glad to help.
numbers on your screen, definitely check that out, especially during this summer season as it's getting started today.